What the f? Seriously, dude? Really? I know, yeah, but try indicating, dude. Try indicating! The wrong way. It's a one-way street, so. What the f? No! What the f? You serious on this?
Chill out, what is your problem?
You're the problem! You don't look! It's a no entry, dude. What are you doing? Oh, it's alright. No, I'll go show you. No. And you, woman. Oh, and you, thank you very much. So. You could just go around the corner. Oh.